The excitement of a new car does not last long. Because the paint age and scratches occur over time, and it is difficult to keep surface-treated parts like the control buttons and other interior parts like new. But with Clif Designs, you can always keep that feeling of owning a new car. Clif Designs' RealCut automobile interior and exterior cutting software, designed based on the actual construction data of experts, features a vast pattern database for various car models around the world. Since there is no need to use a knife for cutting, it enables easier and faster construction without damage to the attachment surface, and a sophisticated sense of unity provides stable and perfect results. Clif Designs' indoor PPF film further upgrades the texture of the interior surface with excellent brightness and clarity, and prevents damage caused by scratches in advance, helping to always keep it clean as new. For small scratches and faded surfaces that have already occurred, the film covers it to return your car to like-new condition. You can also apply films of various textures such as glossy, matte, pearl, black high glossy, carbon glossy, and matte. And it provides both stylish and refreshing effects by transforming boring or plain interior materials.